Today we'll talk about how can you enable products and SMS notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you like it is here. Then all you have to do now, just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on settings. You come to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You come here to products and assignments, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to push, just click on it. Like you see this color for us here. That's mean here products and assignments enable with us now. So for notifications, that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.